As we enter into autumn, we're reflecting with gratitude on the wonderful summer that we had, a great return to visitation, and so many vibrant experiences with art. We're still challenged by the COVID-19 pandemic and continue to put the safety of our guests front and center. Now we're opening new exhibitions to experience together, masked and at a distance.
Just recently, we opened Time Holds All the Answers by Indigenous collective Postcommodity. It's curated by Dr. Gerald McMaster, and it's the collective's largest museum exhibition to date.
The show features major installations throughout gallery spaces, as well as really surprising interventions in unexpected places throughout the building.
In August, new work by Saskatoon-born, Regina-based artist Zachari Logan transformed the Free Connect Gallery. Ghost Meadows showcases the artist's meticulously crafted drawings alongside some of his ceramic works.
His exploration of the natural world includes both the wild and the cultivated, giving the same level of care and attention to each plant, whether it's a flower you'd find in a bouquet or in a ditch.
Remai Modern's collection includes 350 artworks by Inuit artists. At the end of October, we're opening an exciting new exhibition, Audaujigon Wakatamawen, guest curated by Missy LeBlanc and Klabuziak, that features works from our permanent collection combined with new commissions.
Remai Modern has invited Picasso specialist Dr. Alma Mikulinski to curate a new exhibition for our Picasso gallery space. Starting from Guernica, Picasso's famous anti-war painting, she's brought together a group of contemporary artists who reflect on, take inspiration from, and reconstruct that iconic artwork.
As we move into the autumn season, we're thankful for our visitors, members, supporters, and donors, especially the Frank and Ella Remai Foundation. Thank you for supporting and engaging with Remai Modern.